Hello everyone, welcome back to another special video. So guys, after a lot of time I am back with a new video, and in this video we will learn about how to draw something realistic or same to same or accurate sketch. Okay, so in this topic I have already uploaded a lot of videos, so you can check up my channel. And I will use these types of makeup brushes for blending, or better blending is mostly needed for a better sketch. Okay, so please don't forget to use these types of blending brushes. Okay, you should not use watercolor brushes for the blending. For better blending, you should use makeup brushes. Okay, it's always okay, please remember, it's most important. And I will use outline pencils. These pencils are always good, and I always prefer outline pencils for beginner artist or intermediate artist. Okay, I am not a beginner artist, I'm an intermediate artist, or I can say that it's one of the best pencil ever for better blending or better shading. So let's start.